In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button in Webflow, step-by-step guide. We're going to keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll have a clickable WhatsApp button on your Webflow site that opens a chat for your visitors, helping you capture questions and leads in real time. To start, open Webflow and head into the designer for the site where you want the button. Make sure you're on the page and section where the button should live, whether that's your home page, a contact page, or a global component like the footer. Being in the right context now will make placement and styling easier. Next, open the Add panel. You'll find it on the left toolbar. It's the plus icon. This is your library of elements. If you don't see it, expand the sidebar or use the search at the top of the panel to quickly find what you need. In the Add panel, search for link block. A link block is perfect here because it acts as a clickable container, letting you style it like a button and add text or an icon inside. Drag the link block onto your canvas and place it where you want the WhatsApp button to appear. You can drop it inside a section, a footer, or a fixed position container if you want it to float in the corner. Now make it look like a button. With the link block selected, go to the Style panel and set your background color, padding, and border radius. A green tone is a common cue for WhatsApp, but use what fits your brand. Add a text element inside that says something clear, like chat on WhatsApp, and adjust font size and weight for readability. If you have an icon, you can place it alongside the text for a more familiar look. With the visual done, connect it to WhatsApp. Select the link block, open the settings panel, and set the link type to URL. Enter a WhatsApp link using one of these formats, wa.me/ followed by your full phone number with country code and no symbols or spaces, or API whatsapp.com send a phone followed by the same number. You can also pre-fill a message using a text parameter, like text your %20 message %20 here. Remember to URL encode spaces and special characters so the message shows correctly. If you prefer, enable the option to open the link in a new tab so visitors don't lose their place on your site. Preview your page to confirm the button looks and behaves as expected on desktop and mobile breakpoints. When you're happy, you're all set. That's it. You've added a WhatsApp button in Webflow, styled it to match your site, and linked it to open a direct conversation.